Hello all of my wonderful subscribers. Let's draw a doodle with a red Sharpie. Before I started this drawing, I thought about doing an intricate doodle with one of my rotring isographs, but then I changed my mind and I wanted to do something that was more laid back, relaxing, wasn't as difficult, and so I was sitting here looking up at all of my art supplies, at all of my pens and pencils and Sharpies and all of my supplies. I got so many pens, so many Sharpies. I'm just sitting here looking at them now, and so many options. Sometimes I just close my eyes and I'll randomly grab one of them and I start doodling. But the drawing to me ended up looking like some kind of organic waves or something. I'm not completely sure, but the drawing only took me about 30 minutes. I had fun doing it. If you have any doodle suggestions, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. But for now, you have a good night and don't forget to subscribe.